Would $900 a day change your life? If your answer is yes, you need to listen to this video. First, I want to introduce myself if you are new to my channel. My name is Victoria and I teach people how to make six-figure incomes from their cell phones by working 2 hours a day. And let me stop you right there, because if you are automatically skeptical, like most of us are, I want to show you exactly what is happening from my coaching, the messages that I'm getting from other people who I am teaching to see the same success. So I'm just going to throw some of these on the screen so that you can check them out as we go. So a little about me: I'm a boy mom to 3. I'm an Army wife, and just like so many of you, I spent years looking for the best way to make money online to be able to stay home with my kids. I didn't want to keep going and clocking in at a 9 to 5 that I hated. I didn't want to keep giving somebody else my time. I wanted to own my time and still be able to make bank doing it. I wanted to own my time, and I still wanted to make a ridiculous income while I was able to do the things that I loved and spend time with my kids. So after spending 7 years looking into all of these side hustles, I finally found the one that was the needle in a haystack that I had been searching for. And no, it's not multi-level marketing. No, it's not a pyramid. You don't need to recruit friends and family. You don't need to slide into anybody's DMs, because the beautiful thing about this is that you are going to learn the skills to market and attract customers to you. And here's how you're going to do it. The way that people are averaging $900 a day, or 4-figure days, even 5-figure weeks, is with done for you digital products. So about 2 years ago, I jumped into this whole digital marketing thing, having no idea what to expect, and my baby goal was to make $1,200 a month. I thought that if I could just make a fraction of what all these other people were making, I would be sitting pretty good. I didn't realize how possible this is for anybody. We have people in their 50s, 60s, 70s. We have people with no social media experience, with no tech experience, no background in any kind of marketing, seeing 6 figures here. And they all did the exact same thing as me. We got a done-for-you digital program that teaches you the skills to market anything on all social media platforms. And so before somebody says, oh, so are you just buying a course to sell a course? Let me explain. There are tons of businesses in need of marketing skills. And so the way that they learn these marketing skills is through education. So I have tons of business owners that will get a program that teaches them the skills to market on social media. So I have realtors, I have boutique owners, I have handyman businesses, all of these people who are getting the exact same program that I got to learn how to market a business or a product that they already have established. But the beautiful thing about this for you is that you don't need a business and you don't need a product. You can essentially get the same program and you get 100% resale rates. What that means is then you can learn the skills to market it on all social media platforms and you make 100% profit. Marketing that program is all that I have done to make over $600,000 in just 2 years. If the sound of that intrigues you at all, go ahead and click the link in my description, because that's going to send you the email with the exact strategy that I used. So how this works: first, you get your program. Second, you learn the skills to market it on social media. Now, the beautiful thing with social media marketing is there are tons of platforms for you to market. Personally, I built my business marketing on TikTok or on Facebook, and now I'm pivoting over to YouTube. But the choice is really up to you where you want to market. And before you think, oh, well, I don't know how to market, that's the entire point of the program. You are going to learn how to make content. You'll learn how to do lives if you want to do that. You'll learn how to even do faceless content if that's something that you're interested in. And then the third thing is you have an automated email system that does all of the follow-up with your prospects for you, so that you never need to slide into anybody's DMs ever. So then I can take my kids to the park or to soccer, or I can take a nap even, and I could wake up to dings like this on repeat. So if you have been looking for the best way to make money online and you are looking for a way to simplify your hustle, then go ahead and go to the link in my description and just check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I teach you the best ways to make money online and I coach you on how to do it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.